This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X1 versus GLB 200. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which compact luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll explore engine options, cabin comfort, and technology, giving you a clear picture of what each vehicle brings to the table. Stay tuned to discover the key differences and find your perfect match. When it comes to performance, the BMW X1 typically boasts a more powerful engine, often a 2.0-liter turbocharged unit, delivering robust acceleration and a truly engaging drive. Its suspension is tuned for sportiness, offering precise handling. The Mercedes GLB 200, on the other hand, prioritizes a smoother, more composed ride, making it excellent for daily commutes and longer journeys, though with less outright power. Inside, the BMW X1 presents a modern, driver-centric cabin with high-quality materials and the familiar iDrive infotainment system. It feels spacious for 4 adults. The Mercedes GLB 200 shines with its versatile interior, often offering an optional third row, making it unique in its class. Its MBUX infotainment system is also a highlight, providing a sleek and user-friendly experience for all passengers. Considering value, the BMW X1 often starts around $40,000, providing a compelling blend of performance and luxury. The Mercedes GLB 200 typically begins closer to $42,000, justifying its price with added versatility and a refined ride. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize sporty driving or a more family-friendly, comfortable experience. Both are excellent, but cater to slightly different needs. Check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.